In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram missing features. First thing you want to do is check the status of the account. For that, navigate to profile page, click on three bars. Once you're in settings and activity page, scroll all the way down until you find the option of account status. Once you find it, click on it. Check whether your account has any community guidelines, violations or restrictions. If your account has been restricted, Instagram may temporarily disable some features until the restriction is lifted. If your account status shows no violation, the next step is to update your Instagram app. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. If you see the option of update, click on it. In many cases, missing features appear after updating because Instagram often rolls out new features through the latest app versions. If the features are still missing, launch Instagram, go to Settings and Activity page, scroll all the way down, click on the option Help, then click on the option Report a Problem. Click on the option Report Problem without checking. Click on the option Don't Include and Continue. Now here briefly explain about the issue that Instagram features are missing and send it. Instagram support team will get back to you. So that's it. Following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.